Hello students, I am Professor C.A. Dhaval Purohit. I am extremely happy to announce a wonderful initiative by Ednovate known as Ednovate Plus, an exclusive premium batch wherein we are inviting all the smart brains in the city to come, experience and feel the difference. It is a special batch which is answer to the questions of all those students who want to get All India rank or who is very serious about their CA inter preparation. In this batch, we are going to ensure a limited students which is 45 to 50, a special ecosystem specially mentored by CA teachers. Yes, in this batch, every student will be one-to-one mentored by their teachers, not by any other student. In this batch, we are going to ensure, apart from what we do in classwork, which definitely covers all the institute material, we will also make you practice all MTP, RTP, PYP, and let us not forget specially curated AI sums to ensure कि अगर इंस्टीट्यूट ने थोड़ी भी मस्ती पेपर में की फिर भी आप लोग उसे अच्छी तरीके से फेस कर सकें. In this batch, to ensure that each student completes his task daily, we are going to give you free access, 24/7 access to a world-class library at our Borivali Center only. So if you are the one who wants to make sure that this May 27, I want to get an All India rank, do not miss out on an opportunity because there are limited seats. Students, I am promising you, Ednovate Plus is that plus in your life wherein you are only going to multiply success, knowledge, experience and what not. See you all in the class. For more such detail, please contact on this number.